How's it going, wayboating community? Adam here, and today I'm going to show you how to use a fundamental feature in wave boating, which is the auto routing feature. It's fairly straightforward, but there's some pretty cool little features on the side that I want to show you. So load up Wavve and let's get into it. So to get started, we're going to tap the navigation bottom at the bottom right. That's the dark blue one. You'll be presented with a menu that gives you the option to auto route. So let's tap that. The fundamental principle here is we just need to set a origin and set a destination, and then let Wavve do the rest and do its magic to find a route for me. So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to tap on the map here to set my origin, pan out, and tap over here to set my destination. And now before we hit calculate, there's something I want to highlight here, which is the route mode. So I can choose here, do I want Wavve to prioritize the nautical channels and follow those as closely as possible? Do I want Wavve's auto routing to calculate the fastest route for me from point A to point B? Or do I want it to do a little balance between the two? And so by default, balance is selected. So I'm now going to hit calculate. It's going to calculate this auto route. It's factoring in the draft of my vessel, the current water level condition, if I have a water level station selected, of course, obstacles, and as we just discussed, channels. Perfect. Now I've got a route and a couple other key information here. So there's an estimated time. So if I tap the little side arrow, I can update what I believe to be my average speed. I think 30 miles per hour is pretty accurate for my vessel. So I know this is going to take me 39 minutes, 40 minutes to traverse here. And you can also input the fuel economy for your boat. My bow rider, not as efficient as I would like it to be, 4 miles per gallon. That's accurate. So that's inputted there, and I can get an estimate of how much fuel I'm going to consume to complete this route. Now I can hit go and go right into the navigation view and start using this route, or I can hit save down here below and use it for later. And you can also get some critical information about the route that's just been provided, like the weather along the way. You can switch the origin and the destination. And you can also look at the various depths. If you're in a tidal area, if you hit view depths, you can see how the water level will change for that particular route at various times. Now I'm just going to go back to show a couple key things here. So let's just clear my origin and destination. So in this case, or what I did previously was just tap on the map to do my origin and destination. You see the little arrow on the far right there? If I tap that for my origin, it will set my origin at my location. And I can do the exact same thing for the destination. So just kind of a quick, easy access button as well. Instead of either doing it based on your location or on the map, you can tap search or tap on map, and it'll bring up the search menu. So you can then use the basic searches. Maybe it's a marina, a particular city, town, whatever. You can use the search and pull that up. Key aspect here, if you ever have any issues with the auto routing, just make sure your origin and destination are on or very close to the water. That can help you. That's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team anytime at community@wayboating.com. We are happy to help and have a wonderful time on the water. Thank you.